Hey y'all, and welcome back to the Sugar Art channel. We did an epic charcuterie board for the 4th of July. To start off, we made some really cute star cookies just by coloring our cookie dough with Master Elite's. What you see me doing here is adding a little bit of powder, a few drops of water, and that will activate the intense powder food color, and it will also help it to dissolve. And then you're going to knead that food color into the dough with a spoon or your hands until it's fully incorporated. You can also add it to your mixer with your wet ingredients such as your eggs to make it easier, but I was splitting the batch to get 2 different tones, and I used cerulean for the navy and red rose for the red dough, and look at how vibrant they both are. Everyone's favorite thing about Master Elite's is that even during the bake, the color actually intensifies, it doesn't fade, and that is what makes Master Elite's so darn special. Instead of icing the cookies, we really want to show off the colors, so we just drizzled these little stars with a little bit of warm white chocolate, adding a few sprinkles, and then diamond dust, of course, specifically rainbow, which is an incredibly neutral but reflective edible glitter. And even if you're not wanting to do an entire charcuterie board, how cute would these be for your 4th of July party, and super easy. So next we're going to talk about the Elite collection, but specifically our darkest tones. They are fat soluble and can color chocolate, but we always recommend using the dark tones because the colors are already activated, and what you see in the jar is all you're going to get. Since I'm wanting a true navy blue here, I used 1 teaspoon to 4 ounces of white chocolate for these stacked pretzels. And what's in the middle is the homemade caramel fudge that my good friend and full-time sugar artist Kat made for this project. And I just have to tell y'all, these taste divine. For the red and white stripes on these stacked pretzels, I used Master Elite White. Now, I know what you're thinking, Master Elite for chocolate, yes, but only black and white are fat soluble. The rest of the colors from that collection are not. So if you're wanting to tint chocolate, you can always turn to Master Elite White and Black, and then for any colored tones, you need to go with the Elite collection. Like you see red rose here, and yes, we have 2 red roses. One is Master Elite and one is Elite. We just love confusing you guys. Obviously, we finished off these cuties with more rainbow diamond dust. For our next trick, we are going to use Master Elite's 2-color Rice Krispie treats. Can you even believe? And yes, we did it. It's amazing. We used cerulean blue and red rose again, and they turned out absolutely fabulous. I activated the color in a little bit of cream, added it to our melted marshmallows here in the pan. Just follow the recipe on the Rice Krispie box. You will not get this wrong, you guys. And I'm telling you, the colors turned out magnificent, and I don't use that adjective lightly. They are unbelievable and so good for the 4th of July. After the Rice Krispies fully set up, we cut them into little circles, dipped them in warm white chocolate, finished it off with the same sprinkles, and you guessed it, rainbow diamond dust. Can you really honestly live a day without diamond dust, or better yet, bake a treat without diamond dust? I guess you can, but why would you want to? And now it's time to build our magnificent sweets charcuterie board, and I'll give you a couple of design tips that I've learned along the way in my own life. You always want to start with some anchors, and we went outside in this time, just varying up colors, tones, and shapes. Piling them up, making it super full, not wasting even 1 inch of our charcuterie board. And of course, our staff had to dig right in the second we wrapped this project up. I'm so glad you guys are here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you try 1, 2, or all of our treat ideas today, be sure and tag the Sugar Art and let us know if you have any questions below. And as always, thank you for being Team Sugar Art.